Bharat Bharati YouTube classes. Today we will discuss about some problem which is based on unit and measurement. Actually, we have already discussed about measurement and also about motion. But here some questions we have which is based on measurement. Actually, we have already discussed in previous classes. Different physical quantity we measure by using different unit. It means a unit say about of that physical quantity which is belong from what physical quantity. Okay, if we use unit meter, centimeter, kilometer, mm, it means all these are the measurement of length. It means millimeter, kilometer, centimeter and meter. But here some are smaller unit and some are larger unit. If we talk about kilometer, larger unit. If we talk about millimeter, smaller unit. But we have already discussed in previous class standard unit and also discussed a fundamental unit. If we talk about unit of length, standard unit of length is meter. Standard unit of length is meter. It means SI unit of length is meter and rest of other unit will be multiple or sub-multiple. If we talk about kilometer, multiple of meter. If we talk about centimeter, sub-multiple of meter. For example, we have here 2 points, point A and point B. For example, if we take this distance between A and B, suppose 1 kilometer. Suppose 1 kilometer. It means distance between point A and point B 1 kilometer. Then what will be the value of distance between point A and point B in meter? As we know, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. It means 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then its value also will be in meter. Between point A and B 1000 meter. Then one question arises in our mind. What will be one equal parts if we divide this distance, this length in meter? Then what will be the value of each part? If we divide length between A and B 100,000 equal part, it means 1 kilometer equal to 1000. If we divided this length into 1000 equal parts, in that case each equal part length will be 1 meter. Okay, it means one equal part length will be 1 meter. If we complete this length, means length between point A and B into 1000 equal part. For example, like this, if we divided this equal part into 1000 equal part, then this part will be 1 meter. It means meter is a multiple of kilometer. Okay, next, if we take this length 1 meter, it means distance between point A and B length 1 meter. If you convert this unit into centimeter, then what will be the value of this length? Because length between point A and point B is 1 meter here. If we convert this meter into centimeter, then what will be the value of this length? Okay, as we know, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. It means if we divide this length in 100 equal part, this length divided into 100 equal part, each part length will be 1 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. It means here we can also write here 100 centimeter, and each part's length will be 1 centimeter. Okay. Next, same length 1 meter. If we divided this into millimeter, then what will be the length between point A and B in millimeters? Okay. As we know, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. It means 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay. It means if this length convert into millimeter, then length between A and B will be divided into 1000 equal part, and each part length will be 1 millimeters. Okay. So here we will arrange the following length in their increasing magnitude. Talking about arrange the following length increasing in magnitude. We can easily here arrange all this magnitude on the basis of multiple of meter and sub-multiple of meter. If we talk about millimeter, here millimeter, 1 meter equal to 1000. It means 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. If we divide this in centimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. It means 1 meter and 100 centimeter equal. Okay. If we differentiate between kilometer and meter, as we know, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. It means here increasing order, you will write first smaller unit measurement. After that we will arrange this all the magnitude. Okay. First will be 1 millimeter. After that 1 centimeter. After that 1 meter, and after that 1 kilometer. Okay. Here 1 millimeter is smaller than centimeter, 1 centimeter is smaller than meter, and 1 meter is smaller than kilometer. So here smaller unit is measurement millimeter and bigger unit is here kilometers. Okay. Now next question. We discuss about the question. The height of a person is 1.65 meter. Express it into centimeter and millimeter. Then what will be the value of the person height in centimeter and millimeter? Here meter, length of height of person given in meter, and we will express it into centimeter and millimeter. It means all we are given units centimeter and millimeters, in which we will find out sub multiple of meters. Okay. Here sub multiple of meter. As you know, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, then what will be the value of 1.65 meter? 1.65 multiplied by 100 equal to 1.16500. After counting from right side, two digit 1 and 2 will be decimals. Okay, it means 165 centimeter. 165 centimeter, the height of person in centimeter. Okay, the height of person in centimeter will be 165. Now we will convert this same unit in millimeters. Actually, as you know, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. But we are given in meter. This meter unit converted to millimeters. Now, actually 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1.65 meter equal to 1.65 multiplied by 1000 millimeters. This value changes into millimeter. After multiplying 1650 millimeter will be value of the person height in millimeter, which is already given in meters. So we have completed this unit person height of a person 1.65 meter into millimeter. Okay, next question. The distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters. Express this distance into kilometer. Okay, here we will change meter into kilometer. It means multiple of meter. It means multiple of meter. Means smaller unit given will change into bigger unit, larger unit, which is also unit of length. Meter also unit of length, kilometer also unit of length, but here we will change meter into kilometer. Now we try to solve this question. Okay, actually we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. We can also write this question in form 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometers. Okay, we can also write same things here. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer, but we have to change out kilometer. We can also write this 1 meter equal to 1/1000 kilometers. You can write 1 meter equal to 1/1000 kilometer. Okay, now we try to solve this question on the basis. Okay, 1 meter equal to 1/1000 kilometer. So 32,250 meters equal to what will the value? 1 meter equal to itna means 3250 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, as we know 1 2 3 0 in denominator है ना. How many digits? 1 2 3 digits. Okay, it means we can easily convert it to decimals. This first write numerator, after that count from right side 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, then put the decimal. Okay, this value in kilometer. It means distance between Radha's home and her school is 3250 meters, equal to 3.25 kilometers, equal to 3.25 kilometers. I hope all of you got it fully. Okay, thank you.